Okay, hi guys, good evening. Uh, I would just like to discuss everyone what is the new feature of 51 Talk My Page platform, which is what we call auto open slots or auto open schedules. So, para dito sa feature na to ng My Page, dito natin makikita yung kung sino yung mga student na nag-click sa atin. So example is my page. This is my own page. I'm also a teacher. I'm currently teaching in 5 on Talk. So for this one, as you can see, may three labels tayo makikita dyan. First one is the opened. Opened is yan yung mga inopen nating slots sa auto-open slots, which is kaya may date yan, 85 days. Yan yung day since na inopen mo siya sa auto-open slot mo. So, for this slot, 85 days ko na siyang naka-open. And for the word booked, ito yung slot na may nakabook ng student on the same date, on the same time. So, every Saturday, may student ako ng 8:30 a.m. And for book C, ito yung mga student na tapos na for 3 months. 3 months lang kasi ang project na to. So, yung mga student na tapos na para dito sa project na to for 3 months at hindi pa nagsa-sign up ulit, napupunta sila sa book C. Naka-reserve pa sa kanila yung slot na yon for within only 1 month more. Kung hindi sila nag-join ulit sa program, tatapos yung program, at kailangan nila mag-sign up ulit para makapag-pick schedule ulit sila sa inyo. So for this one, kaya nakalagay Monday to Sunday. Weekly lang po ang counting natin ng auto-open slot. And also for this one, ang pwede lang i-close yung may nakalagay na opened and book C. No penalties required pag kinlose mo siya. Pwede mo siyang close anytime. But for the slots may nakalagay na booked, as you can see, pag pinindot ko yung may booked, the schedule is opted to a commitment. Hindi mo po siya ma-close sa auto-open slot. If ever na gusto mo talaga siyang hindi pasukan, you have to self-tag yourself in ship management. That is your only option for this one. So I hope may natutunan kayo about the auto-open slots. And if there are any more questions, just comment down below.